What's going on, guys? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money online, but with this method, you have to actually jump on this now. So I'm going to show you everything you need to do, and you can start doing this today, and I'm going to take you through step by step. And we're going to cover a brand new product that just released today, and we can get all of the information, and we can start making money from this specific method. Now, you're not going to need to go and create your own website, so don't worry about any of that complicated stuff. And I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do step by step in this video, so you don't miss out. But we need to hurry so you can start making money with this today. Now, I'm still doing my course giveaway, guys. Make sure you smash that like button, find the emoji in this video, and then comment below what that emoji is. Let's jump into this method to make money online because it's important, because this is going to be huge. Let's jump in right now, and I'll show you exactly what you need to do to make money online with this method. All right, guys, before we get started, I want to let you know that this is a limited time thing, meaning that what I'm about to show you, you might not be able to make money from it for quite some time because you can only make money from it right now. And I'm actually still going to be making money from this as well. So I'm going to be doing exactly what I'm showing you in this video. And that's what gave me the idea to do this video for you guys, because I'm going to be doing this as well. So let's get started and I'll show you exactly what we're talking about. So what you want to do is you want to go to a website called muncheye.com. And on this website, there are products that you can promote for a commission. And I found one that's actually releasing soon. It's released yesterday, actually, but you can start promoting it soon and you can make commissions. And I'm going to be actually promoting this specific product. So I want to go through and show you how you can promote this to get affiliate commissions to make money online. So let's get started and go over exactly what this is. So once you click on, well, actually, let me explain to you what this website is first. So this is a website where people upload products, software, books, courses, and things like that. And you can actually come here and sign up and promote these products and get paid a commission. So like it says here, 40%, 50%, 50%, 50%. It's got all the percentages there. So once you click on one of these, for example, the top one that I'm going to be promoting, and you click on this link here, it takes you to what's called an affiliate page, and it shows you the steps on what you need to do. Now, this specific product is promoting a book, and this is from a guy called Russell Brunson. He's a very big online marketer. He's quite famous in the online marketing space. Now, if you actually scroll down to the bottom here, there's a few steps that you can do to make money with this. So I think this is a typo. I think it's supposed to say 12th of October. You can do a thing called phase 1. Now I'm going to skip this phase when I do this because I don't really want to do this. But what you can do is you can send a link to other people, and if they go ahead and promote the product as well, you will get what's called a second tier commission. So you would get 10% lifetime commissions from whatever money they make. I'm skipping that. I'm not doing that. Phase 2 on October the 9th. So this is coming up soon. And this is why I wanted to actually show you this in case you wanted to get started now and get ready. They're going to be launching what is called Secrets of Success, Most Incredible Free Gift Ever is what it's called. And what will happen is you'll get a link, and you'll be able to send this link to people where they can get a free subscription box, and all they have to do is pay for the shipping. Now, what will happen is you will make money on that, but after that, they have an upsell to a monthly course where the course is $97 per month, and you would make $40 per month per member that you send to them and signs up to their course. So you actually get monthly payments on this, on the phase 2, which is what I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to be doing phase 1. I'm going to be doing phase 2. You can skip phase 1 if you like. I don't really get into that type of stuff, but I'm going to be doing phase 2. And so from the 19th of October to the 26th, you can promote this product. So this is the book here. And then this is the course that they get upsold onto. That's $97 per month. And you can get a commission monthly from that. So we'll come back to this page soon. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you how to actually get set up so you can make money from this. And you can get everything that you need to get started. The first thing you need to do is you need to go ahead and go to apply to be an affiliate. Once you sign up to be an affiliate, it's going to take you to this page here, where you're going to get what is called a affiliate link. This is the affiliate link here. Now, this affiliate link that's in there right now is just for phase 1, okay? So it's for the phase 1 section. It would be up to you if you wanted to do that or not. I'm not going to do that. Once phase 2 releases, what's going to happen then is this link will change, or there will be more links added, or you could potentially use the same link, and it's going to take people to the book where they can get this free book subscription and then get an upgrade to a course where you would get a commission. So what's the first step to actually doing this? I'll explain the first step to making money with this. Now you can't actually go ahead and just, I mean you could, but you don't want to go and just send your affiliate link out straight away without any kind of bridge page. So the first step we need to do is create what we call a bridge page, and this is called getresponse.com, and we can actually use this to create email marketing automation, bridge pages, and everything we need. So I'm going to sign into my account and show you how to do that. I'll leave a link below where you can sign up and create your own free account to follow along. But there's a few things you are going to want to do. Now I'm going to leave a video in the description that's going to actually show you a full tutorial on how to set up GetResponse, but I'm going to show you how to set up an email marketing list, very basic one, and a capture page so we can actually go and start sending out this information. So the first thing you want to do with this is you want to go over to tools, and you're going to have all of these options. And we first want to go to what's called automation, and we want to set up an automation system, okay, with some emails and stuff like that. Now I'm going to do what is called a workflow in a second, but first I'm going to create some automation messages. Now the video below is going to show you how to connect your email to GetResponse and stuff like that, and they've also got their own tutorials. So just assume that you've set up all your emails and stuff. Now I'm going to go and create an automation message. And I'm just going to do a basic message that we're going to use in a second, okay? And this is just going to be something like, the thing is, you could go ahead and use GetResponse to create emails and stuff like that. But once this actually releases, they're going to give you all of the emails that you need, so you won't need to actually go and create the emails. So what I've done is I've asked ChatGPT to speed this up to create an email based on a book that I'm selling about success, okay? And so I'm going to just copy all of this stuff into this email stuff here. We've put an unlock the secrets to success with, and we're going to just say, what are we going to say? We're going to say MIFG. So that's the name of the book, okay? That's the short version of the book. We're going to put that into here. Okay, cool. And then you'll have your email in there, and you're ready to go. We're going to go to next step. And this is what we're going to do, our first email that we're going to send out. And this is going to be automatic because we're going to actually send people somewhere else. Now, I actually chose the old version by mistake. That was silly of me. You want to choose the new version, obviously. But I'm just going to go ahead and choose one of my templates here and then delete it and redo the email. Okay, I'm going to copy all of this here from ChatGPT. Remember, the product is probably going to have emails ready for you to use. Okay, so I'm just going to, I accidentally went into the old version of GetResponse. The new version is much cleaner than this and easy to use. I'm going to paste this into here, and you would change this information, right? So we don't have a code, so we'll take that out. But this is the email, and then what you would do is you would have a link. So click here, and then you would post your affiliate link right here. All right, so what I've done is I've gone and I've got my affiliate link from here. Now remember guys, it depends on the phase that you promote, right? So if I promote from the 12th of October, this is supposed to be October, I'm not going to make any money because that's just because I will be recruiting people. But on phase 2, so the 19th of October, this link is most likely going to change and it will take people to a different page that has a book on it. So just keep that in mind. So what would happen is if you don't want to do phase 1 like me, then you would send it on phase 2 from this date forward, the 19th. So I've gone and put this in here from ChatGPT. You'd obviously fill in the blanks. And I'm going to paste in the link by pasting it right here. And then we're going to go to next at the bottom here. And we're going to make this message live because we're going to be using it in a second. Okay. So we'll do that. The next thing we need to do is create what we call a contact list. So don't worry about this message right now. We're going to go to contacts and we're going to go and create what we call a list. So create list, and I'm just going to call this YouTube tutorial. Oh, actually, I'll call it SOS, Secrets of Success. So I'm probably going to use it, and then go to create. And this is going to be the list that you're going to connect to your automation. The next step is you're going to go to tools, and then you're going to go to automation. Okay. and we're going to set up this email so it can be sent out automatically. So we're going to go to create workflow, and we're going to just go start from scratch. Like I said, I have a full tutorial below on how you can do all of this. And we're going to go subscribers. And this is where people are going to come in to our automation. And we're going to go select list specific, and we're going to select the list. The list that I just created was SOS. Okay, so now that's done. And then we're going to go to what we call send a message. We're going to drag send a message into them. We're going to link it up. We're going to click that, and we're going to go to automation, and I'm going to go to book to email one. And what's going to happen is that now when people go to our list that we're going to send traffic to, and I'll show you how to get the traffic in a second, they're going to get onto this automation workflow, and they're going to get sent the book automatically. And then we're going to also be building a list at the same time. So now I'm going to go save and publish, and that's ready to go. So that will work as soon as I connect it to my bridge page. All right, so next step we want to go to is tools, and we want to go to forms and pop-ups. I think that's where we go. Yeah, forms and pop-ups. I'm going to create a form that collects an email, and this is going to be really cool because this is how we promote this. Now, the reason why is because you can't just go and send people straight to an affiliate link with the traffic method that we're going to use. So I'm going to go, we're going to go to legacy just because it's easier for me to use. I know how to use that. And we're going to go to create a form, and we'll just do old version just because I know how to do it. You might want to go new version because they offer technical support, but I'm used to the old version because that's what I use. They just recently updated it. And I'm going to go to List Builder Wizard. And down the bottom here, we're going to get some pages that we can choose. So I'm just going to choose this basic one here. I always use this one right here. And this is going to create us a page that we can use to send people to collect their email and link it up to that automation we just created. Now, why that? Oh, it's actually loaded. I was going to say why it's loading. But while it's loading, we're going to go back to here, and we're going to think of what we can use as the title. So I'm going to use Secrets of Success. And I'm going to say, get your free copy. Get your free copy of Secrets to Success, and we'll just make that all the same. Get your free copy of Secrets to Success. I'm going to delete this, and then underneath I'm going to say what it's about because that always helps. So I'm going to add some more text here, and we're going to say book on starting a online business in brackets. And then you might want to put something underneath that says put an email below to get sent the free book. Now what you want to do is you want to go to settings, and you want to choose that automation that I actually talked about. So you want to go to list, and you want to find the one that we created, which is called, well, the one that you create called SOS. And then we want to we want to untick this, and we want to just leave it as that, okay? That's all you want to do. And I'm going to click save. Now, there's one more thing you need to do as well. We want to go and choose a thank you page, custom, okay? And so what we're going to do then is we're going to get our affiliate link, copy that, and we're going to go ahead and put it in there. So what happens is once they give us their email, they also get directed to the free book. So they're going to get emailed the free book, and they're going to get directed to the free book as well. And then click save. Now we're going to click publish, and we're going to get our link to this page, and I'm going to show you how to get the traffic. Now, just quickly, guys, I did forget, if you can't see the product here anymore, you need to scroll down to the bottom because it'll be in the just launched section. So just keep that in mind. Now, once you have that form done, you want to click on get responsible host my form and click copy. And you want to go make a short version of that. You could use any type of link shortening website, and it's going to create a shorter link for you so you can copy that link. Or you could go and host it on your own website, but that's another whole ball game that we're not going to get into. The next step is you want to go ahead and get some traffic. You want to go to a website called udimi.com and sign up to create your own account. Once you've signed up, you're going to go into a dashboard where we can get traffic. So just sign up. It's very easy to sign up. Once you sign up, you're going to basically have your own account where you can get traffic on tap. You can get traffic whenever you need it. Now, what this traffic is it's other people sending out your link in their own email list. So it's their own email list. So you want to find one that's in the specific niche for that product you're promoting. So for example, this one is like making money online. So something like digital marketing. Most of it's pretty good for making money online. So for example, we'll click on this guy called Gabe. And what you do is you go to the specific page and you can see his reviews and all that sort of stuff. But what you've got to kind of focus on is the tier of the traffic. So what type of traffic does he have? He has 94% to 100% tier 1 traffic, mostly USA. This is what you want. And the traffic is best for make money online and business opportunities, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo offers, and things like that. So this is what this guy does. And you can see some of the results that people are getting from buying his specific traffic. And as you can see, Matt Parr here, he's actually quite a big YouTuber. So that's quite interesting that he's using this guy's traffic. So this guy has traffic that we can go ahead and we can purchase to send to our own offers. So I'm going to go to buy solo. And what you want to do is you can see how many clicks you want to buy, and you're going to pay 44 cents per click. That's pretty good. So let's say you want to buy 400 clicks. You're going to pay around about you're going to pay $201 down here, right? That's not too bad, because if you go ahead and make $400 from this, you're doubling your money. Now, obviously, you're going to have to do a little bit of testing and stuff like that, but this is what I would recommend doing. You can actually see, here's one of my links in here that I actually used to send traffic to. So you want to go to your settings account as well. And once you're in your settings account, you want to go ahead and put your link in that you created, okay? You can do that in settings. I don't need to show that. It's very simple to do. And then your links will show up here. You can go ahead and you can send traffic to, if you like. These are called your saved links. You can click manage right here and you send traffic to that page, but make sure you click only top tier traffic as well. It's going to be a little bit more expensive, actually. I just noticed that. But you want to make sure you're clicking top tier traffic to get the best traffic from actually doing this. And what you're going to do is you're not only going to make money from selling that specific product from Munchai, this Russell Brunson product, you're going to be also building your own email list that you can keep promoting products to in the future and over time. All right, guys, so that's this specific video on how to make money online. You want to go ahead and set up, just like I showed you in this video, on how to promote this specific product, and then use this traffic from udimi.com to send to that page that we created to sell the product and make your own email list. I'll see you guys in the next video, and I'll leave a video in the description on how you can use GetResponse.